So I've added a new feature, which is schedule listings. So we're going to come here to our listing drafts. And from here, we do click, since I don't have any drafts, I'll click create new draft. And this will take us to the eBay create listing tool. And from here, it's going to be the same steps to creating a listing. But in step 4, it will just send it to our drafts page. So if I do click generate, we have a 4-step form. And the first step, we're just going to generate a SKU. It gives us a title and description automatically. We can also generate keywords on the right side here. So I'm just going to add this checkered. And then the category gives us the best options. So I'll just choose the first one. Here, the condition is new. And then the pricing, it works based on the market data. So I'm just going to keep it as is. And for the brand over here, I'm going to type vintage America. And the size is extra small. I can also refer back to the title on the right side or the images. And from here, just pre-select the best options. Click next. I already have the fulfillment, payment, all the policies saved in my settings page, so I don't need to pick them one by one. Click next. And over here in step 4, we could rearrange the images. I'm gonna keep them as is. And if you were to click create listing, it'll create the listing right away. Or we could save it to drafts. So I'm gonna click save to drafts and confirm the save. And from here, we click the listing drafts on the sidebar. And we should see the listing that we just created in the pending status. From here, we click on the item itself and view the listing with the options that we chose. And then we can also edit on the spot and delete it or publish it live. And scheduling is the new feature that I've added. So if I do click schedule, and right now it's 12:04 a.m. So we're gonna have this live at 12:07 a.m. And if I do click schedule, it'll do its thing, and it'll have it scheduled for 3/27/25, which is today at 12:07 p.m. or a.m. All right, so now it's past 12:07 a.m. And if I were to refresh this page, and in the future I'll have it automatically let you know with this notification button on the top right. But for now, I don't have that set up. If I do click refresh page, it is scheduled. And if I do go to my active listings and click refresh, and if I do come to my eBay, we will see that item that we just created is listed.